We've toured several beautiful new construction Toll Brothers homes in the North Metro Atlanta area, all in the $1 to $2 million range. Today, we're going to see a Toll Brothers new construction home in Woodstock where homes start in the mid 600,000s. This is Vista Ridge Meadows, the Allatoona Elite Floorplan. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage, 2,318 square feet of living space. And while most of the homes in this community have already sold out, there's one exactly like this one currently under construction, listed for $715,000 by Rachel Broach with Toll Brothers Realty. We're already seeing the type of high-end and on-trend finishes that make Toll Brothers homes so popular. The custom built-ins for the mudroom, frameless glass showers, custom trim work here in this delightfully cozy study, as well as the beautiful custom trim work we saw on the accent wall on the main level guest room. We've got 10-foot ceilings throughout this main level, engineered hardwood floors. Just because it's a lower price point doesn't mean it's lower quality, and you have to commend them for that. Gorgeous quartz-surrounded fireplace with built-in bookshelves. Let's have a closer look at the kitchen. It definitely passes the eye test. With its 42-inch cabinets, these are available in a variety of finishes. Granite countertops. I love the marble look of this backsplash. You've got a pot filler and a custom hood over the gas cooktop. You've got a nice, elegant island with a farmhouse sink. All the appliances are stainless steel, Energy Star qualified. You've got a really big walk-in pantry. You can buy in bulk for fewer trips to the grocery store. And a convenient laundry room. The wood cabinets above the washer and dryer are a nice custom touch. The dining room is open to the kitchen. It's surrounded by big windows, immersing it in natural sunlight. This floor plan features a main level primary suite. Notice more custom trim work on the accent wall, the dramatic tray ceiling. Touches like this add so much visual appeal and interest to what could otherwise be a pretty basic bedroom. Thoughtful design makes a big difference, and the Toll Brothers design team always does a great job. Hey there. Case in point, just look at the floor-to-ceiling designer ceramic tile in the striking frameless glass shower. I love what bold shower designs like this add to the aesthetics of a bathroom. The dual vanities are raised to make the sinks more easily accessible. There is a private water closet and a roomy walk-in closet. You can have the Toll Brothers design team add a custom organization system if you want to take it to the next level. They have pre-priced options for any type of personalization you might want to add to one of their homes. This community is in Woodstock, Cherokee County, the River Ridge High School District, which gets an impressive 8 out of 10 ranking on great schools. The community has a lot of great amenities. Wow, look at this outdoor living space. Fantastic stone patio, part of it covered for outdoor dining, part of it open to enjoy beautiful sunny days like this. Awesome built-in grill with bar and counter space for the grill master's prep work. The outdoor living space is definitely one of my favorite aspects of this home. Back to the community amenities, there's a community pool, clubhouse, cornhole, and a playground for the kids. The location off Arnold Mill Road is extremely convenient. You're very close to Woodstock, Roswell, Milton, even downtown Alpharetta. You may want to shield your eyes. We're catching the sun just as it's centered in the landing window. The upper level has an excellent bonus area. It can be used as a fitness room, studio, obviously an excellent upper level living room. With a full bedroom and bath and perhaps private living room, this would be fantastic space for a teenager, an adult live-in child, or an amazing private guest suite. But be careful with space like this. Your guests may never want to leave. I'm Brian Pruitt. My wife Kelly and I are local realtors. We would love to show you a home in this beautiful Vista Ridge community by Toll Brothers. Our contact information is in the link in our bio. I really hope you enjoyed the tour.